Hi landlords, and welcome back to our FAQ Friday. If you're new here, my name's Makayla. I post all things property management every Wednesday and every Friday. So for today's FAQ actually comes from one of our subscribers. Yay! Thanks Karen for submitting your question for today's video. So Karen actually asked me, should I keep my home warranty for my rental property? Now, this is a question I get all the time. I get it on on-sites, I get it on phone calls, I get it after we have them as clients during the contract signing process of them being clients. I get it all the time. And the short answer to that question would actually be no. You actually shouldn't keep your home warranty unless one of these three things apply to you. You have special built-in appliances such as like a sub-zero fridge, unless your furnace is really old, like 15 years old or older, or if you just don't have the financial stamina to withstand a huge maintenance expense right now. So unless one of these three things apply to you, I would recommend to just go ahead and get rid of your home warranty because you won't need it. I know it sounds crazy. You usually think you can have your home warranty because it's going to help you save time and money and all of that. Well, actually, it does quite the opposite. So to delve into this a little bit more, it's actually going to cut into your time as well as money. Because home warranties are for-profit insurance. So basically, they hire the cheapest vendors. And usually hiring cheap means that you're going to sacrifice one of two things, if not both. You're going to be sacrificing time and you're going to be sacrificing quality. And sometimes you'll sacrifice both. So let me give you the prime example. So your tenant calls you, ring, ring, ring. Hi, Mr. Landlord. Yeah, my water heater is out. And you reply, okay, no problem, Mr. and Mrs. Tenant. I will have my home warranty company come and take care of it, and we'll get your water heater going. So now you actually try to give them your home warranty company's phone number to have them deal with it. Well, let me stop you right there. Majority of home warranty companies won't organize or schedule time to get work done with your tenant. It has to be done by the owner. So that's problem number one. Problem number two, it's back on you. Your Mr. and Mrs. Tenant tell you, hey, we tried to call your home warranty company to get our water heater fixed. However, they said since we aren't the owners that you have to do it. Okay, no problem. You think it's going to be easy. Well, it's not. So you call, you sit on the home warranty line for hours to be able to talk to somebody. Finally, somebody answers and you schedule an appointment and they let you know that the first available water heater vendor is coming out in about 3 to 5 days just to assess the problem. That's right. Just to assess, just to look at your problem. To look at your water heater is going to take 3 to 5 days. So which means, do you think your tenants are going to be very happy that you're going to call them back and let them know that it's going to take 3 to 5 days for someone to come out just to look at their water heater? They're not going to be that happy. I told them it's going to take 3 to 5 days just for a vendor to come out to look at the problem. Not fix the problem, but just to come out and look at the water heater. Let's just say you have really patient and really awesome, kind tenants. And they say, all right, Mr. Owner, thank you for letting us know. No problem. We'll be available for when they're here. So 3 to 5 days passes along, the vendor comes, he assesses the issue, he says, all right, this is what's wrong, this is what we're going to fix, and now guess what? It's now going to take them 3 weeks to come back in and fix your water heater. I'm pretty sure your tenants aren't going to be happy with the fact that they're going to be going almost a whole month without hot water because you're trying to save yourself time and money with using your home warranty. Now, not only do you have some pretty upset tenants, now you're possibly facing a habitability issue because you have no hot water at your property. Now you call your tenants, let them know it's going to take about 3 weeks for someone to come out and to fix their water heater, so they're going to be without hot water for almost a month. Yeah, I don't think any tenant would even be happy about that because I highly doubt you, Mr. and Mrs. Owner, would even be happy about that. The fact that you're trying to save yourself time and money is actually going to cost you more time and especially more money. Because now I can almost guarantee that your tenant is going to want a discount on rent for that month because they had no hot water because you wanted to save time and money rather than trying to fix the problem quickly and efficiently. At this point, I mean, does keeping your home warranty really make sense? After this is all said and done, is it truly worth the money that you're paying for this home warranty? Because now you lost tons of time. You have upset your quality tenant who always took care of your property, paid rent on time, and now that relationship in that circle of tenancy is ruined. So, was the home warranty really even worth it? The answer is no, it's not worth it. Once again, landlords, home warranty, it's not really worth it unless you have built-in appliances, your furnace is super old, or you just don't have the financial stamina to withstand a large maintenance expense. But if you don't have the financial stamina in the first place, I would maybe reconsider trying to have a rental property because things pop up all the time. But that's for another video and that's for another time. All right, Karen, thank you again so much for submitting today's question for FAQ Friday. And remember, landlords, we post videos all thing property management every What's What Wednesday and FAQ Friday. If you have any questions that you would like for me to answer to you directly, go ahead and click on the link that is below, as well as you can call me. My contact information will be down there as well. Or if you would like me to shout you out, go ahead and click on that same link in the description and I'd be more than happy to shout you out on one of our videos. All right, landlords, my name's Makayla, providing you with a higher standard in property management. Bye, landlords.